Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a summer makeup routine look. So let's just get straight into it. Get started with my e.l.f. primer. One drop should be enough. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I got this fan from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this to dry my primer. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Pro Conceal Concealer. I got told that I talk too much in these videos, in these makeup videos, because it's dry now. I can tell. What's that? I could tell it's dry, so I'm gonna dab with my finger. Let me take out my nose ring so I can blend it really together. I'm gonna add my little bronzer. This is like a darker shade, so I could create some shadow. Anyways, mine's right here. Just pat, not swiping. I finished putting on the concealer, this dark piece. I haven't put it on my cheekbone yet. I don't really like to anyways, but guess I'll try. Just a little bit. Apparently, according to some beauty critics, I guess a bronzer is necessary. Okay, I'm gonna add my nose ring back. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little blush. I do not have blush, so I'm gonna use my lipstick. Works the same. Right here. This is the placement I'm gonna follow. Right here. Right here. I'm gonna be patting in a up and down motion to spread it out instead of patting. I think I like the subtle blush. I don't think I want to add more. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my brown pencil. Okay, so this is the brown lip liner. I like it. It's very subtle. It's not too harsh. I'm gonna add the red gloss. Okay, so this is the lip look that we came up with, the lip combo, the brown pencil and the red gloss, or the semi-gloss. I got this from L'Oreal. This is in the shade 306. Not bad, I like it. Alright, the last thing I'm gonna do, I think, is gonna be the highlighter, and I'm pretty sure I'm done from there. I think this is the perfect amount for your whole face. Should be like this much. This is the finished result. Hope you guys like it. This is gonna be my routine from now on. So make sure you like and subscribe. Deuces.